Welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got an exciting treat for all of you aspiring artists out there. If you've ever dreamt of creating your very own hip-hop song but didn't know where to start, you're in luck. In this video, I'll be sharing a free tutorial that breaks down the process into just 3 simple steps. But before we dive into it, I want to ask for a small favor. If you find this video helpful and want to see more informative tutorials like this, please take just 5 seconds to hit that subscribe button below. By doing so, you'll be joining our ever-growing community and ensuring that you never miss out on the latest content. Alright, let's get right into it. To make things easier for you, I've divided this tutorial into 4 parts. In part 1, we'll be exploring CapCut, an incredible tool that can assist you in crafting your hip-hop lyrics. In part 2, we'll be exploring Pexels, a fantastic resource for finding high-quality images and videos to accompany your song. Part 3 will introduce you to CapCut, a powerful video editing app that will help you bring your visuals to life. Finally, in part 4, we'll discuss Blink, an awesome platform to showcase your finished masterpiece. Let's get started.
Part 1 ChatGPT. Open Google Chrome and search for ChatGPT. Once you open ChatGPT, click on to sign up to create your account. After creating your account, click on the search bar and type in "Give me a hip-hop song about anything." Copy the information you receive and send it to your mobile device via WhatsApp for later use. Part 2 Pexels. Next, open Google Chrome again and search for Pexels to find free content videos. Open the Pexels website and use the search bar to look for hip-hop dance. You will find numerous videos. Download some of these videos and send them to your mobile device for later use. Part 3 CapCut. Open the Play Store on your mobile device and search for CapCut in the search bar. Once you're in the app, click on New Project and select the hip-hop videos you downloaded. Click on Text and add text to your video. Paste the hip-hop song you obtained from ChatGPT. Adjust the videos and song accordingly. Then, click on the text-to-speech option, select Hip Hop Man, and apply the effect. Delete the script and click on Download Video. Part 4 Blink. Open the Play Store again and search for Blink for auto-captioning. Download the Blink app and open it. Click on Caption and select the video you created.
I'm stepping up on the mic. Let me ignite a hip-hop.
You'll have a language option. Choose English. Click on Generate Caption and wait for the processing.
Hip-hop till that.
You'll be presented with various templates. Finally, click on the Export option to save your video. Now your hip-hop song is ready.
I'm stepping up on the mic. Let me ignite a hip-hop till that.